Hello everyone. Today it's a 2014 Peterbilt 579 day cab. ISX 15, 450 horse, 18 speed, 342 gear ratio, 220 wheelbase, flex air ride suspension, nice clean truck, rust free. Came from out west. Fleet truck, well maintained, taken care of. Platinum interior, power windows, power door locks. Does have a PTO on it. Tall 22.5 tires. We put on the new visor. This truck has 522,000 actual miles. It had an engine overhaul, full in-frame overhaul done at 411,000 miles. So the truck's got 111,000 miles on a full engine overhaul. New head, new cam, pistons, rods, mains, turbo, oil cooler, water pump, fuel pump, lots of stuff done. It also had a transmission rebuild in 2019 with 54,000 miles on the transmission rebuild. Clutch was done at the same time the engine overhaul was done. This truck is very nice. It's ready to go. Air slide fifth, all aluminum Pete wheels. This is the way the truck was when I bought it. Give me a call,